Students, students, please give a response. I just want to see your response. Use the chat box. I've been telling you every day you have to use it. You're not giving any response, which is very bad. Please use the chat box. Yes. Did you guys complete the Fresnel-Hofstede Jones? Yes, Gautami, yes. Others? Did you go through it? How, what are the difference? What is the actually, if I ask a question, is area of every zone is constant or different? What it depends? Area of the off period zone. Does it depends on the wavelength? Yes or no? Does it depends on the wavelength? Does it depends on wavelength? Can you hear my voice? Is it okay? Students, are you in the class or you just playing outside and join? I don't like this. Are you LKG students? Should give a response, right? Yes, fast. What does area of off period zone depends on wavelength or not? Yes or no? Tell me. Yes for Y, no for N. Tell me. If you don't know S, no spelling also. Yesterday we spent 1 hour to teach this Fresnel off period zone. I'm asking just what is the equation that we got lastly? Area, is it in? Come on, you guys are really, I don't understand. What is the difference between the first zone and second zone? What is the difference?
Lambda, right?
Yeah, but what I'm asking another question is area depends on what factors? Is it depends on the something like, there are some factors, right? Area, can we, did we get the equation for area of off period zone? What was we got it yesterday? We calculated area of first circle, second zone, then we also calculated the area of first off period zone, we calculated the area of second off period zone, then we subtracted it. How much we got it? Why sir, what you doing? Area equal to 5b alpha, right? It depends on 2. Don't tell now yes sir, that doesn't make sense. It's your job to keep in brain, right? It depends on what factor, tell me now. What factors? Just type in the chat box. Area depends on what factors, students? I don't want, do you have a voice? You just want to attend because of the, I force you to attend, that's it. Use the chat box. Do you know, I mean, how many of you don't know how to use the chat box? If you don't know, please. So this is the area, right? Come on, guys. Feeling so bad that, you know. Right? Tell me. Until and unless you, I want to see, I mean, I see the messages in the chat box, I don't proceed further. Right? Yes? Tell me. Radius, it depends on what? It doesn't depend on the radius. It doesn't depend on the radius. What it depends, first tell me. So very, I mean, I know that I thought that you guys are really master brains. It seems like it doesn't matter. It's not like that, right? It's clearly what is B and what is the lambda. Wavelength, it depends on wavelength. What is B? It is the distance between from where to where. My God, one question also you are not enabled to prepare. Did you notice now what is B here? Yes. Amulya is there? No, she's not there today. So, Jayalakshmi, it's not fair. You guys need to serious. I don't want. I'm not. It's not good. I want to be master brains. Just use the chart box. Do you have any difficulty? Use the chart box. Tell me first. Did you understand what is B now? It's where we P between the P and O, right? OP. Yes or no? So what is actually finally what are the conclusion points? What are the conclusion points? Increases with increase of the wavelength, increases with increase of the distance from O to P, which is a B, right? So due to equality of area of zone, the amplitude is what? The amplitude contribution of secondary wavelets from each zone is same. The area, the amplitude doesn't change. Suppose there are two wavelets. One is coming from one, the other one. Both are same. Amplitude has these 3 points you should keep in brain. Okay. Do you have any tough time to use the chat box? Please. You can open it actually. It's not a big deal. You can open side. It will appear on the side. I mean, if you have a tough time, it's fine. So this is the last topic of the unit, the zone plate. This is the law. This is the final topic. This is the final last topic. I'm going to give me 1 second. I just need to use this. I don't understand. You guys are simply, not reading anything. I can see you guys. You are just, okay, I think this is a very important question. So let us complete this. Until and unless we complete this, I'm not going to. Okay, this is slide 2. Right. Zone plate. So what is the zone plate? What is the zone plate? Okay. Here, the zone plate, when I discuss the zone plate, it's just simple. No, it's a kind of like, you take the white paper or draw the circle with a radius different radius. Okay. So what is simple is you can keep it on this on the white paper too. So how do we do this? So whatever we completed half period zones, this is a special case. So this is a special screen design. Just you can do it on your paper. Design to block off the light from the every other half period zones. We have a half period zones, right? Continuously one by one. One is positive, the other one is negative. Actually, you can treat like that. And this is a kind of a plate where you have all the circles like that. where this zone plate can block the light. So zone plate is basically it is a device which block the light from the off period zones. Is it clear? The definition, if they ask, it is a device. It is a device which blocks the light from the off period zone, from every other off period zone. So one after one, it just blocks it. The result is to remove either all positive terms in the equation or negative terms. So as you know that total amplitude is equal to A1 minus A2 plus A3 minus A4, like that. This is the amplitude terms when you want to write equation of total amplitude. So all odd A1 plus A3 like that, so on, minus A2 plus A4 like that. Okay, so this zone plate can help to remove the either positive or negative. So this means you are blocking the light actually. So positive zone plate, negative zone plate. So what is the difference between these two? Can anyone answer it, please? Please, I just want to, can anyone notice what is the difference between these two figures? What is the difference between the positive zone plate and negative? They will ask question, competitive exams. What is the difference? ఈ రెండిటి మధ్య difference ఏంటమ్మా? I know I'm failing. So dark in negative, what? Dark in negative. Yes, correct. Gautami, it's good, but don't say that word. Central maximum is different. What is that? Central maximum is, you have to understand the physics here. So here central maximum is white, bright, here dark. This is the difference. If you are thinking the positive, this is negative because alternate, right? So it is a zone plate, very important long answer question. Zone plate is a device which blocks the light from the every alternate off period zones. It can also use to remove the positive terms and all negative terms. Okay, and you can write down the diagram that. Can I move to next slide? Yes, give your response. I'm wasting my time. So this is the zone plate, how it works. There will be light. See how its diffraction pattern can be seen. You can block. If you can keep, it's blocking. If you don't keep it, it's coming out. Is it visible to all? I'm going to remove from the class, guys. If you don't, tell me. If you don't know how to chart, I'm going to off and talk to you guys. Use the chart. So this is the general equation, Nana. This is the complete equation. So it's completely positive terms there, negative term. This is equation number 1. This is the total equation of period zones. One is the positive, the other one negative, like that. If n is very large, suppose many period zones, like 100,000 periodic zones, in that case, simply what you can write is the A is equal to A1 by 2, right? A is equal to A1 by 2. Approximately, you are negligible other terms. But if I want to intensity, what I can do it? A square, which is equal to A1 square by 4. A1 square by 4. Intensity at P is equal to A1 square by 4. If even number zones are blocked, you're going to have this equation. Ante even number block cheste ila vastundi. Odd numbers block cheste you have the A2, A4, A6 like that. Are you keeping the brain? Don't watch my class. When I ask you to watch movie, you are keeping everything in the brain. But when I ask you to listen my class, you don't keep anything. So today what we have done, first slide, zone plate definition. Zone plate is actually it is a device which blocks the light from the opposite zones diffraction. It has two types, positive and negative. If it blocks negative terms, you have a negative plate, zone plate, where you have the central maximum is blocked, dot. If it blocks the positive terms, it's called positive zone plate, where you have the central maximum is bright. And the equation is written in terms of amplitude. This, if n is large, you can by A1 by 2. For that, intensity is equal to amplitude square. When I do this square, A1 square by 4. For even number of zones, the equation becomes negative Sannitishi and D. Okay. Can I move to next slide, please? Yes, please. Can I move to next slide, please? So odd numbers, this is equation number 3. For odd numbers, beta, it is a 3. Can anyone send this? Today I'm going to remove all the other names. Whoever joined today, I'll keep it. It's very bad. So for odd, because minus you took common, right? Total A is equal to A1 minus A2 plus A3 minus A4, right? When you are writing the odd numbers, negative zone plate, you for positive you are counting A1 plus A3 brain la bettala, notebook la kaadu. Notebook la pedtu brain la bettala. This is the other one is A2 plus A4 plus A6, but in front of what you're gonna get minus, because all negative terms you are taking the negative term common. And equation number 3 clear, I guess. So first equation you know, second equation you know, third equation you know. I hope you understand, right? So now the magnitude of the amplitude A in both cases will almost same when n is large. When n is large, in both cases, intensity should be equal to amplitude square. And both cases, what happened? Amplitude A square by 4, because A is equal to A1 by 2, other case A is equal to A2 by 2. In both cases, you can write it as intensity A square by 4, A square by 4, A1 square by 4, A1 square by A2 square by A1 is equal to A2, right? Areas are constant, right? Is it clear? Is it clear, Gautami? We know that all areas same. A1 is equal to A2 equal 3. A1 square by 4, A2 square by 4. So both are same. So I can write it as A square by 4, right? So now moving into so now we have to draw the zone plate. How do we draw that? Construction heading. Draw a circle on a white paper sheet. Very nice. Simple nana. Dot petti circle రాయడమే. అదే జోన్ ప్లేట్. దాన్ని మనము ఒక గ్లాస్ ప్లేట్ మీద చేస్తే జోన్ ప్లేట్ అవుతుంది. అది బ్లాక్ చేస్తుంది. You can make it actually with a radius proportional to the square of the root of the natural number. We already know that, right? Square root of the lambda b, right? So it's this one. So the odd or even number zones are covered with ink. You can change the colors. One is the white, the other one is dark. You can make it this. Take the photograph of this pattern on this glass and plate on the reduced scale. So this is the kind of zone plate. Very simple. Very simple. So is it clear? Is it clear? right? So theory, what is the theory? So here, what you're gonna do it simply. So this is the diagram, like when you want to write about this, okay? Zone plate perpendicular to the plane of paper. So this is the paper and it is a perpendicular, okay? Let O be the luminous object. This is the bright object, like you can light, you can think about it. Emitting spherical waves of a wavelength lambda whose effect at a point I is required. So we need to calculate what is here. This is the O where the light is there, and you are keeping, this is what is, tell me, anybody want to tell what is XY? What is XY? Tell me. What should I write XY? Put it in the chat box. What is XY? This is the source of light. This is the way we collect it, right? Intensity, light intensity. Tell me what is XY? Tell me what is XY? Come on, guys. Feeling so bad. Nitish? I know you joined late, but why it's very bad, right? Zone plate, just now I mentioned it. Come on. It's a zone plate. It's like you can think about it. You make it like this, zone plate. I just place the vertically like this. Here. Okay? Don't tell axis, Gautami. It's, I have been telling that. You're taking the paper, you're just keeping this zone plate perpendicular to this axis, and you're keeping the source with a wavelength lambda. XY is a zone plate with a different zone plate, I told you, right? Different radiuses, and this is the intensity. Is it clear now, or do I need to repeat, please? And here it's emitting the spherical wave. But you guys are telling yes, yes, but I feel I'm not getting actually. You're not telling actually anything. So now what I am doing, this is like, lens problem, right? There's a light is there, lens is there, screen is there, right? It's like a lens problem, right? Is it clear? It's like a lens. You're keeping zone plate here, source of light, and screen here where you collect the image. Okay? So now what we can do? Let us, here, U be the distance between the O to the where you keep the zone plate, right? From the zone plate. V is the distance between the zone plate to the screen. Is it clear? So we are keeping here zone plate, not lens. Here source, here P, here we are saying O. Okay. So what I am saying, when we are discussing about the zone plate, what is a zone plate? Which is actually device which blocks the light. Either it could be block positive or negative of the half period zones, right? So there is a possibility you can keep, and we are describing about the zone plate here, keeping the source here and placing the zone plate perpendicular to this axis, and this is a screen. And here we are saying that this is U, this is V, right? Okay, and R1, R2, R3 are the radii of the first, second half period zones. Yes? Is it clear? These are the R1, R2, R3. R1, R2, R3, so on. So we are saying that this is the lens, this is the source, this is the P wave, this is the kind of like a place where your screen acting like a lens problem. We are going to use the same formula, lens. Long answer question comes, be careful guys. So now it's the same like you learn in 8th class, right? So now tell me, as I mentioned just now here, O, let's say we're gonna say this is the zone plate and this is the screen source. Okay, U, V. Okay, so now we have a several zones actually. This is zone 1, zone 2. Then you go for next zone like that. Okay, there are different zones are there with a radius of this. Oh, did you keep in the brain? Yes. Position of the screen is such that it from one zone to other next there is a increase on the path. So we already know that lambda is changing for every zone, changing by lambda. V plus lambda, V plus lambda by 2 plus lambda, like that. Half period zones we already know, right? Right. So now OP plus PI is equal to U plus V. OP plus PI is equal to U plus V. Okay. So which means what? You are measuring the U plus V. Okay. You are doing the U plus V. So OM1 plus M1I is equal to, so let me show that picture actually. OM1 OM1, did you understand here? Where is the OM1? So from here and this. Okay. So you should able to keep in mind OM1. So OM1 plus M1I is equal to U plus V. So first one beta, you should take it as a, first one you should take it as U plus V. Next to a lambda by 2. Next to 2 lambda by 2. Next to n lambda by 2. Is it clear? So first you get U plus V. As I mentioned, this is a source, lens, screen, right? U plus V, U plus V. But next zone, when it's going first, this zone is lambda by 2 plus lambda by 2. U plus V plus lambda by 2. Second zone, U plus V lambda by 2 plus lambda by 2. Like that. So on. It's going to be n lambda by 2. Similarly, point exists on the section XY of ZP below the pole at exactly same distance. I hope it's clear. So why am OM square का OP square PM square? So this is like a right angle triangle. You can take it. This is where we are. Here is zone. This is zone plate, right? And this is like a right angle triangle, Nana. Right? Similarly, this one also. So OM1 square is equal to OP square plus. Is it clear, Nana? OM1 square is equal to OP square plus PM1 square, according to Pythagoras theorem. So OP is U square. This is R1 square, right? So we got OM1 square. Similarly, OM2 square plus lambda. You have to do the, let me go for that again. So we got this one. So what is the difference? Tell me. OP square PM, last one we are calculating here. Last one. So in that case, OP square, last one will become a radius of circle, big circle, Rn. We are taking Rn, last one. So U square plus Rn square. So OMN square, this is. If you want to remove square, it's going to be root or 1 by 2. So from here, what I can do, I can take common. I think most of you know, I don't know whether you can take common or not, but you can take common. So how can I take, sir? So you can multiply and divide by u square. So you can take the common. When you take the common, if you bring outside, it's going to be u, and 1 plus rn square by u square. Is it clear? Do you guys agree with it? Do you guys agree with it? Yes? ఈ డెరివేషన్ కి అగ్రీ అవుతున్నారా? Yes. So I just took the u common, because u square you can multiply u square by u square. ఒక u square బయటికి వస్తుంది, ఇక్కడ బయటికి వస్తే u అవుతుంది, అది 1 plus rn square by u square, right? So this binomial expansion ఏమవుతుంది అంటే, this is going to be 1 plus, ఇప్పుడు మనకు 1 plus x power 1 by 2 ఉంటే binomial expansion ఏమవుతుందట, 1 plus x by 2. This is the binomial expansion. For x is, I mean, this is for like, we are ignoring the higher order terms. Higher order term we are ignoring. So if you want to write only first order, 1 plus x by 2. Here x is how much here? R square by rn square by u square. So 1 by 2 just adds. So u into 1 plus 1 by 2 r square by 6. So from here, if you bring u into inside, u into 1u, this is going to be rn square by 2u. Okay. Similarly, when you want to do it, mn I, this is going to be v plus rn square by 2v. So is it clear? So both side we can, so as we this is a zone plate beta, source is here, screen is here. In both side, this is the, in both side we have a right angle triangles, right? Yes or no? So R1 and R2. So u is there, this is v. Both side you gonna get. Only difference is what? One side you will get u, the other side you will get v. Okay. Now we got both equations. Substituting in the in 4. So we have to substitute in the 4. So what is the fourth one actually? This is the fourth one, sir. Yes, my dear master brains or master future scientists, please give your response, valuable response, guys. I don't want to, So here we are just calculated, Nana. We calculated both sides, which is u plus v and lambda by 2, right? So we can substitute here. Whatever we got it, we can substitute it. So let us move back to, this is the fourth equation. U plus v and lambda by 2. So when I substitute u, so this is a u, right? I mean first one. This is the first one term, second term, which is equal to u plus v and lambda by 2. అర్థమవుతుందా ఈ ఈక్వేషన్ ఎలా వచ్చిందో? చెప్పండి నాన్న ప్లీజ్. I don't want to go without like, tell me. Huh? Tell me, Nana. So this is the equation. We have both OM1, MNI. We just need to substitute these in this equation. So what you get it? First thing, u plus rn by square by 2v plus u rn square by 2u. Okay, which is equal to u plus v n lambda by 2. This is what equation we got it. So in both equation, or this is common. If I take common this, what I am going to get, u cancel on both sides, v gets cancelled. So how much left, tell me? So r n square by 2, sorry. If I take that 1 by u plus 1 by v is equal to n lambda by 2. If I want to bring other side, 1 by u plus 1 by v equal to 2 gets cancelled beta both sides. So n lambda by rn square, which is equal to 1 by f. Do you agree for this? This is like a Lenz formula. 1 by f is equal to 1 by u plus 1 by v. So now focal length. What is the focal length from here? Rn square by n lambda. Reverse out. So if we equate these two, f is equal to rn square by n lambda. Any doubts, please say yes or no. Don't be quiet. Ardhamautunda? All of you keep yes or no, please. Yes or no? Okay. భయపడి చెప్పినట్టే ఉంది. Right, Gautami? Nitish? Don't scare, but tell me right. Nitish, can you speak with me now? Unmute and talk to me.
Sir.
Is it అర్థమవుతుందా? నాకు భయానికి ఎస్ఎస్ అని పెడుతున్నా.
సార్ అర్థమవుతుంది.
ఏదో నేను నా వేళ ఏదో నేను ఏమంటారు చూడు, జస్ట్ చెప్పుకుంటూ పోతా ఉంటే సార్ అలానే చెప్పుకుంటూ పోతా, అలా అయితే కాదు కదా.
అర్థమవుతుంది సార్, ఇంటర్లో కూడా ఉన్నాయి కదా సేమ్ కొంచెం.
ఉన్నాయి, అదే
అర్థమవుతుంది.
ఇవైతే ఓకే కదా, ఈక్వేషన్లు వచ్చాయి కదా. బోత్ సైడ్ మనకు ట్రయాంగిల్ లాగానే ఉంది, రైట్ యాంగిల్ ట్రయాంగిల్స్ కాబట్టి. సో బోత్ సైడ్ సేమ్ వస్తుంది అని చెప్పిన ఈక్వేషన్. కాకపోతే వి యు ఒకటే డిఫరెన్స్ వస్తుంది. సో ఇక్కడ మనం రెండు పెట్టుకొని ఇందులో యు క్యాన్సిల్ అయిపోతాయి,
క్యాన్సిల్ చేసుకొని కామన్ చేసి. ఓకే సార్.
సో ఎందుకంటే లాంగ్ 20 మార్కులు వస్తుంది క్వశ్చన్, 20 మార్క్స్ వస్తే మీరు ఏం చేయకపోతే బాగుండదు. సో ఇందాక నేను చెప్పిన కదా 1 by u ప్లస్ అటు సైడ్ తీసుకెళ్తే యుల్ గెట్ దిస్ వన్. సో దట్ ఈస్ ఈక్వేషన్ నెంబర్ 5. ఓకే, యూ కెన్ మ్యూట్ నౌ. రైట్. So 1 by f equal 1 by u plus 1 by v equal to, we got, oh come on, why should I share? Stop it. So 1 by f is equal to, just give me 1 second, I can keep it this. Yeah, 1 by f is equal to 1 by u plus come on this. Okay, so ikkada just from the above equation we got this, we call it as a 5. If you want to write this LCM, u plus v by uv, u plus v by uv, which is equal to n lambda by rn square. So I want to calculate rn square. So rn square is equal to, if you want to cross multiply, what is going to n lambda uv by u plus v. So I hope you understand up to here, right? So this is it. Here u, v, lambda are constant because you fix that. This is the zone plate, and here is source, and here you have the screen, and u and v, right? So these are constant. You are not changing here. Fresnel, you're not changing anything. Fixed. So we're not changing now here experiment. So if I don't change all these things, these are the constants. So all this is a constant. So only left rn square is equal to proportional to n. Rn is equal to root n. Rn is equal to, okay. Give me 1 second. I just want to, I got a call. Okay, anyway, yeah, I just got a call. Okay, I have to talk important urgent call from other country. Just ask them to call, give me call later. So now what we understand is here Rn is, this is the radius of period zone is directly proportional to the square root of the natural number. We have proved this natural number, right? So area of the zone, nth zone is given by this. Okay, anyway, sorry. Yeah. So you should remember this. So here area of the nth zone is given by this. We already did this. Do you, if you remember, R2 square minus R1 square, we have done that this, right? A is root 5 lambda, right? Pi r square. So pi lambda, we have completed. How much we got it? This one. So instead of that, you just substituting here Rn square. Rn means Rn, we got it this one. So you just substitute as it is here. You just keep n minus 1. Wherever you have n minus 1, you just keep it that n minus 1. Then you simplify it. You got it? Can anyone give the response here? Or did you get? This is actually Rn square beta. So when you remove here n minus 1, Rn minus 1 means n minus 1 into whatever this constant. Okay? Gautami, is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Just subtraction, Nana.
Minus lambda UV వస్తుంది సార్.
ఇది మొత్తం మనం సబ్ట్రాక్షన్ చేసుకోవచ్చు. పేపర్లో మీరు పెడితే అంటే పెన్ పేపర్ పెట్టుకుంటే ఈజీ అవుతుంది. సో యూ గెట్ దిస్ 5 లాంబ్డా వచ్చిందంటే వచ్చిందా? సో హియర్ దిస్ ఇస్ అ కామన్ బెటర్. యూ కెన్ టేక్ దిస్ ఇస్ కాన్స్టెంట్. సో n minus n because n minus of n minus 1, right?
Yes, sir.
So everything is common. So n minus n plus. So n gets cancelled 1. So this entire thing you got it. So here we already know this is a pi lambda, right? We already proved that area is equal to how much we got? Tell me, pi b lambda, right? Pi b lambda, right? Is it what we
Yes,
got?
sir.
Tell me, did you remember this? So here pi, nothing but this is what? F only, right? F is a focal length. B is actually distance between. Before it was B there. Now B is equal to F. So this is independent of N now. Hence for a given O or I, the area of all zones remains same. Even మనం n తీసుకున్నా కూడా area same అయింది. Okay? Is it clear? Is it clear? Anyone please talk. Okay. So now final first equation ke liya malli. So up to here this is over. You can get full marks. But first equation we go like again you go for first equation. Second equation you know that. Fifth equation you already know that. Sixth you are writing for the lengths. So first, second we know that. Second means only you are taking the, this is actually first, for what? Tell me, positive. And this is going to be 1 by v equal 1 by v equal n lambda by Rn. Okay, and the result is similar for the length formula also. This is like a general formula which we have got in intermediate level. Okay, so now this is the 5 equation, this is the 6. What you can write? Tell me. It's just 1 by f is equal to n lambda by Rn square. So f is equal to how much? Tell me. Rn square by n lambda. It's a very, very important equation. Rn square by lambda n is the focal length. It's like a lens. Whatever we have done, like a zone plate is acting like a, if zone plate ela act avutundi cheppandi, it's like a lens. It's like a lens. So you got this equation, multiple foci of zone plate, focal length of the zone plate is also, you can write it this one. So it behaves like a convex lens, but it has multiple foci between the zone and point I. So అక్కడ మనకు కాన్వెక్స్ లెన్స్ ఒకటి పెడితే ఒక్కటే వస్తుంది. ఇక్కడ మనకు జోన్ ప్లేట్ కాబట్టి డిఫరెంట్ గా ఉంటాయి కాబట్టి విల్ గెట్ మెనీ ఫోకల్ లెన్స్ అన్నట్టు. F1 కావాలంటే ఫస్ట్ కావాలంటే R1 స్క్వేర్ బై లాంబ్డా, R2 స్క్వేర్ బై 2 లాంబ్డా, R3 స్క్వేర్ బై 3 లాంబ్డా, లైక్ దాట్. ఓకే, యూ కెన్ ఆల్సో కీప్ N1 here. So remember that. So if you want to go for N2, you'll get this one. So that is over. Any doubts for the zone plate? Long answer. Any doubts? Any doubts for the zone plate question? Yes? Sandeep, Prashant, Nitish, Raviteja, Sunil. Any doubt? Madhu? No? So one zone plate long answer question is over. Okay? So give me right. So this you don't need focusing action of zone plate, you don't need it. And this is also 4 marks question. Resolving power of optical instruments. Resolving power of optical. What is the resolving power? Tell me. Anybody knows? What is the resolving power? To see clearly, right? Anything you want to see clearly, that is what is the resolving power of eye? Will keep some distance where you can see clearly, right? Is it clear? Resolving power and I think you have studied intermediate too. Limit of the resolution is the smallest separation basically between 2 points is called resolving power. This is also important 4 marks question every time they are asking. Okay, so resolving power of any optical instrument. So why nana ipudu microscope ki resolving power untundi, మీ ఐస్ కు ఉంటుంది, కాంపౌండ్ మైక్రోస్కోప్, ఎవ్రీథింగ్ యూ హ్యావ్ సంథింగ్. అంటే ఆప్టికల్ మైక్రోస్కోప్ ఉంటుంది. సో ఎవ్రీ మైక్రోస్కోప్ కి రిజాల్వింగ్ పవర్ ఉంటుంది, కొంత డిస్టెన్స్ వరకు క్లియర్ గా కనిపిస్తుంది. ఇఫ్ యూ చేంజ్ దట్ యూ కాంట్ సీ దట్. ఈవెన్ ఐ ఆల్సో యూ కెనాట్ సీ ఫర్ లాంగ్ డిస్టెన్స్, రైట్? దెర్ ఈస్ ఎ లిమిట్. సో ఇట్ ఈస్ ఎ resolving power is a kind of limit of resolution, is the smallest separation between the 2 points or 2 objects or 2 images at which they appear to be separated exactly. So resolving power, this is a limit where you can see clearly. Resolving power is basically, it's inversely proportional to limit of the resolution. Is the ability of the optical instrument, ability and power of the optical instrument to resolve the images of 2 close point objects. Mathematically, resolving power is equal to 1 by limit of resolution. So limit of resolution, it could be d lambda dt. Our eye also can see the 2 objects separately, right? Which is the resolving power of our eye. So resolving power of any instrument is nothing but what? To separate the images clearly with your eye or instrument. It can be eye, it can be microscopes, it can be anything. Electron microscope, transmission microscope, optical microscope. ఆ చిన్న ఆబ్జెక్ట్ ని సెపరేట్ చేయడానికి యూజ్ చేసే డివైస్ నే what we call it resolving power of optical instrument. ఐ కూడా ఉంటుంది. Any doubts for this question? Yes or no? one person. Gautami, limit of resolution అంటే ఎక్కడ క్లియర్ గా అనిపిస్తుందో. సో రిజాల్వింగ్ పవర్ అనేది ఇట్స్ ఇన్వర్స్లీ ప్రపోర్షనల్ టు లిమిట్ ఆఫ్ రెజల్యూషన్. ఓకే
ఓకే సార్.
సో లాస్ట్ Rayleigh resolution criteria, something like whatever you can want to talk, that condition, Rayleigh resolution condition. So this is also kind of 4 marks only. So there are two conditions, beta. Rayleigh resolution condition, there are two, A and B. Last two, over, unit is over. So resolving resolution of two, conditions. One condition, first condition, you can see here. Two objects are two spectral lines. These are the spectral lines. Two objects, it could be two objects or two spectral lines are said to be just resolved, ante clearly seen, if central maximum, this is a central maximum, you can see clearly, see, you can see central maximum of diffraction pattern of one object falls on the first central maximum, central minimum of the diffraction pattern. This condition is known as Rayleigh condition or Rayleigh criterion. And did you get it? Two objects or two spectral lines are said to be just resolved. When can we resolved? If the central maximum of diffraction pattern, this is, falls on diffraction pattern of one of the objects, falls on the first central maximum of the diffraction pattern of other. So two objects unnai beta, you have the central maximum of this, central maximum of this. If they both coincide, we call it as a Rayleigh resolution criterion. So two object fringes same vaste, we call it as a Rayleigh resolution criterion. So two objects or two spectral lines are said to be just resolved if the central maximum of diffraction pattern of one object falls on the first central minimum of the diffraction pattern of the other objects. So maximum should match with the minimum actually. That's what, sorry. So maximum of one object should match the minimum of other objects. So two objects can be separated only if the condition enti, central maximum of diffraction pattern of one object falls on the first central minimum of the diffraction pattern of other. Ante first object ki central maximum bright vastundi, second object ku వచ్చేటటువంటి first minimum ఉంటుంది కదా, ఇది ఆ minimum దాని మీద first దాని మీద పడాలి. Any doubts, Gautami?
No doubt, sir.
జస్ట్ అంటే ఒకదాని బ్రైట్ ఇంకొక దాని అంటే ఫస్ట్ మాక్సిమం దాని మీద, సెంట్రల్ మాక్సిమం దాని మీద, రెండో ఆబ్జెక్ట్ యొక్క ఫస్ట్ మినిమం కోయిన్సైడ్ అవుతే దాన్నే మనము వీ కెన్ రిజాల్వ్ టూ ఆబ్జెక్ట్స్ విచ్ వీ కాల్ ఇట్ యాజ్ ఎ Rayleigh resolution criterion. సెకండ్ కండిషన్, దిస్ టూ మార్క్స్ అంతే. సో ఇక్కడ మనకు ఇక్కడ ఇమేజ్ చూడండి ఎట్లా క్లియర్ గా ఉందో చూడు. Two objects or two spectral lines are said to be unresolved. Here, unresolved condition. If the distance between the central maximum of the diffraction pattern of two objects, if the distance between the two central, if the distance between the central maximum of two diffraction pattern of two objects is less then the distance between the central maximum of the diffraction pattern of the one and the first secondary minimum of the other. So ఇక్కడ కొంచెం క్లారిటీగా చదవండి. ఈ డిస్టెన్స్ ఉంది కదా, if the distance between the central maximum of the diffraction pattern of two objects దేనికన్నా తక్కువ ఉంటుంది is less then the distance between the central maximum of diffraction pattern of one, distance between the central maximum of the diffraction pattern of one and the first secondary minimum of the other. So ఇది ఎక్కడికి వెళ్ళైతే ఇక్కడ నుంచి ఇక్కడికి ఆ దానికన్నా తక్కువ ఉంటుంది అనేది ఇది కండిషన్. టూ ఆబ్జెక్ట్స్ ఆర్ టూ స్పెక్ట్రల్ లైన్స్ ఆర్ అన్రిజాల్వ్డ్. ఇక్కడ అక్కడే ముందు దాంట్లో కండిషన్ రిజాల్వ్ అవుతుంది, ఇక్కడ అన్రిజాల్వ్ అవుతుంది ఎప్పుడంటే ఇది కండిషన్ గుర్తుంచుకోండి. ఎనీ డౌట్స్?
నో సార్.
over. Chapter is over. We'll discuss. We'll keep the exam on Monday. We'll keep the exam on Monday. Is it okay? Monday, keeping exam on Monday. Can you revise all the chapter? I'll post today only PPT in the group or PDF in the group. Just go through all the slides and note down the entire notes. And we have already completed 3 units. One more unit is there. That's it. One more unit is there. I think I'll try to finish it next, 8 2 classes. 8 or 1 week. I'll be finishing. Any doubts? Any doubts, please? Zone play to off period zone లకి వెళ్ళి కంపల్సరీ క్వశ్చన్ దిగుతుంది. అంటే ఆ చాయిస్ కింద ఫ్రెనల్ లో ఇచ్చేస్తాడు, ఫ్రాన్ ఆఫర్ లో ఒకటి వస్తుంది, ఫ్రెనల్ లో ఒకటి వస్తుంది. ఆ ఫ్రాన్ ఆఫర్ లో ఫస్ట్ సింగిల్ డబుల్ గ్రేటింగ్. ఫ్రెనల్ కి వచ్చే వరకు జోన్ ప్లేట్, ఆఫ్ పీరియడ్ జోన్స్ కంపల్సరీ క్వశ్చన్. ఓకే, ఒక్కరు కూడా రెస్పాన్స్ ఇవ్వట్లేదు వీళ్ళందరూ. ఐ డోంట్ నో వై. Can anyone speak now? I'm closing the recording now.